Let us start debate competition between two groups, job versus business. They are supporting business and they are both supporting to the jobs. See their point is what are they saying. Mr. J start.
Start with the grand name of Almighty Allah is the most merciful and powerful. It's me Nial Chand from Batch Moderates. This is my friend Faraz. Today we are discussing about job versus business. So me and my friend are side of business. So in my ideas, the business are in business. We make we are make a rich person. In job, we are not make a rich person. So
Yes, he is saying that you can makes a rich person when you do the business. If you have a job, you cannot make a rich person. What is your idea?
Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is merciful and Rahman Rahim. First of all, myself, Wasim Rajab Raimu. So today I want to be talk about job. Professionally, it offers skills and development, career advancement, opportunities, and networking.
What kind of job you do, and if you do a job of large large salary, you can make yourself a rich person.
You cannot expend your time with your family or other people, your friends. What is your idea?
Hello brother, assalamu alaikum. This is me Farad Ali. So as you know me already, today we are discuss about the two topics, fantastic. One is business and one is a job. So firstly, I would like to ask you: do you know what things need to job requirement and what things you need to for a businessman? There is something we need to we start the job, then we have full education and we have a limited age. But this one side, when we want to do business, we have no education. We have a mindset and we have money. When we have money, then that's not two things, but are many things we need to in business side. When you have to know how can we take a risk, then we know how can we take risk in life, then you are successful in your life. Not successful, then you can get in everything in your life when you do business.
Yes, he is saying if you do business, you get there a risk. And if you get risks, you are a successful person.
So we are educated persons, then why we are running a business? Business, we in the beginning of business, running a business, we lose more money, and we work hard day and night. So
Yes, he is saying that in the business we will spend our money or other things in our time, day or night.
Do you know how we lose money in business? When we lose money in business, then we have no have any idea about how we can take risk and where we use money, when we use perfect money. When you have no knowledge about this topic, this size business, then you never do this business. Business is take you when you are doing a business, then you have a mindset. Now, sometimes you are lose money in business, you are going in the depression. This is a mind game. So when we are doing the business side, then we have a mindset and we have to money in the back side. When we use 30,000, then we have a recover 30,000 back side. Thank you.
He's saying that if you in the business, we need the mindset and how to control these things with the mind. What is your idea?
First one is business make money, and job is a very confidence person, and it have a very educated person. And
He's saying that the man who have the job, he is very educated and he have the knowledge. What is your idea?
I don't understand brother questions.
He is saying that the man who have the job, that have the knowledge, that have a very knowledge about these things, information about it.
Yeah, a job have more knowledge but a businessman have a more money than a job man person. So when we have money, we are spend easily in our life. In our when we have a job, so we are our future families are happy. When we have a business, our future families are happy. No, in job, it is a permanent. Only one family can happy.
Yes, he's saying that with the job, only the one family can survive with his job. Not other families can. With the business, other families also can survive with happy life.
If we have no knowledge, um, money don't need, but knowledge have in word need it.
He's saying that knowledge is better than money.
Yeah, knowledge is the best than money. So when we have money, then knowledge will come.
Yes, he's saying that if we have money, knowledge will come. Tell me.
So when we are educated, then why we running a business? When we are do a job, government job, after we do a jobs, government will give us a half salary and the pension. So
So we are not depend upon half salary and pension. So in Indian, Mukesh Ambani are not an educated person, but it is a businessman. It have more money than a job. It have not a pension and salary, half salary. So it's it always come. Business are regularly come means. A businessman have more respect, more money than a job man.
He's saying that the businessmen have the more respect and money in our surrounding.
So in my mind, the more respect for in our world, have more respect for educated persons, have not respect for a businessman.
So you are observing our environment. When Mukesh Ambani, example, Mukesh Ambani will come in Pakistan and sir was go to the this events, big events. So many people give respect sir Mukesh Ambani because Mukesh Ambani is a great businessman. Sir have a job, so people give respect sir or Mukesh Ambani.
Yes, he is the getting the example of Sir Sikandar and Sir Mukesh Ambani, who get the most respect in the party. Is Sir Sikandar or Sir Mukesh Ambani? You gonna? He is saying that.
The party of extra is readily I.
See, Sir is saying.
You are right. You are right in question. Respect, more respect is Mukesh Ambani inward. So I think Sir Sikandar have knowledge, so him responded.
Job just complete your needs, never your wishes. And when you do the business, then you can do it anything. It mean business can make for your new generation, and then job is just pay your next month. So that is called when you reach in your life, then you do business, never job.
He is saying that your coming generation is the job, business is the best for your coming generation. What is your idea?
Job is better than business because the government give us a lot of things of governments like food, shelter, healthcare, and the medicines. So in free.
Yeah, you can give the answer.
So my friend says in a government job, government provide many medicines. So job are not in only governments. The many people's private jobs. So private job have not medicines private men are not provide their medicines.
He's saying that only government people have the medical instrument, not private, like the which is doing the job in the company of Karachi or somewhere. They have not the source of medical anywhere. Give us, sir.
But I am just talking about the government jobs, who give us a many lot of things that.
So, and my friend talk about government. So jobs is all in the jobs, means not a government.
He is considering all jobs in the private or the government. You are coming here to speaking both jobs are government or private. What your idea for him? The medical instrument or the private jobs is not present. He have no idea for this question. Okay, let's complete the debate. End of this debate, we will see the audience decide that this competition, however their competition is, and clapping for this group.